In Microsoft Excel, let's take a look at these three average functions that we got available to us. Average is the most basic. It's just going to average all the cells that you give it. In this example, we're averaging quantities. So the average quantity is 11.78. Now, average if and average ifs average cells when one or more conditions are met. With if, it's just one condition. So let's say we want to average the quantity when the product is equal to football. So what I'm going to do first is give it column B, because that's what I'm looking at. And I want to see whenever football is there. Now, if football is there, what I want to do is average the quantity. There we go, column C. So the way that this is set up is we're looking at column B for football, and if we see football in column B, average the quantity in that same row. Go ahead and hit enter here, and it's 10.25. So I've got, I think, 4 cases where we've sold footballs, and if you average those 4 quantities, you get 10.25. Now with average ifs, we have multiple conditions. And so let's try this out, average ifs. Now we're going to do something a little different here though. With average ifs, we're going to put the average range first, so the quantity first in this case. We put it last in average if. And so I want to start with the quantity, because that's ultimately what I want to average, and then I put my conditions. And so I'm going to say, again, let's look in column B for football. And then maybe I also want to look in column A for a specific order number. And let's say that order number is 489437. Okay. So average the quantity when column B has football in it and column A has this order number. Go ahead and hit enter, and it looks like it's 7. And I see 2 rows where this condition is met, and so it's averaging 2 and 12, which gives you 7. Thanks for watching. Now, if you want the link to the sample file used in this video, it's down in the description, as well as a link to an Excel course if you're interested.